Quentin. We're in our neighbor's garage again, looking today, still at the Sears Craftsman. Well, they got their Toyota Camry because their car got accident. Now let's videotape. I closed it. Still loud. Open it back up. Whoa, they got their... Whoa, this one is still loud. Whoa, they got... Why did you got your Toyota Camry?
Because my brown car is getting fixed.
Yeah. Well, I videotaped. It's a Toyota Camry SE. What is it? Is it a rental car?
Yes.
You got a rental car in your garage. Yeah. Why is your car? Why? Oh, what did you got crashed by?
Another car hit me.
What car is it?
A Lexus SUV hit me.
Oh! What? Why did you got rear-ended?
No, she hit me on the side.
Which side?
On the right side.
The right side?
By
In the
back
car?
passenger.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I know your garage door opener's old. Well, okay. You're welcome. All right. See you later.